Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you remember yesterday, or if you watched the video before, I showed you a quick video on the needle bearing that blew off the clutch and sprocket. So today I went to the store, actually a hardware store, supply Stihl dealer, to get that. So we're going to replace that. So the needle cage bearing number, if you want, is 610-398-2938. And if you're replacing that, and it's not like this, you're going to have a little E-clip here, and then a washer, and then you slip the sprocket off, and then on the side is where that needle cage bearing is right here. So I'm just going to replace this real quick. And all you really need to do once you get the bar cover off is a pair of needle nose pliers to snap that E-clip back on. So I got a little grease here. Just going to put a little on the crank and grease the cage bearing. Real simple. A little more on there. Slip that on. Okay, now one important thing is when you do put the sprocket back on, it has a little notch here. Okay, and you got to look inside. And it might be hard to pick it up on camera. Okay, so right here, I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, there's a little notch, and that needs to line up with the sprocket notch, and that's what cranks the oil. So if you don't have that lined up, you're not going to be getting oil. Okay. No, not on there yet. Okay, I think we got it. Yep, okay. So next, the washer. And then our E-clip. And just be careful when you do this because it can go flying. Just going to grab my Leatherman here. You guys can still see that. Pinch it. I like to put it right on the E. Oh. The new one's a little stiffer. And that's it. And of course, you know, chain and bar go back on, and the bar cover, you know how that goes. But that's that video. Stay tuned. I'm going to do a carb swap here in a minute, so that'll be the next video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.